Learn baby animal names. A baby chicken is called chick. A baby pig is called piglet. A baby cow is called calf. A baby monkey is called infant. A baby duck is called duckling. A baby goat is called kid. A baby dog is called puppy. A baby sheep is called lamb. A baby horse is called foal. A baby lion is called cub. A baby koala is called Joey. A baby fox is called Kit. A baby turkey is called Poult. A baby swan is called Cygnet. A baby cat is called Kitten. Just like a baby cow. A baby elephant is called calf. A baby otter is called pup. Just like a baby pig. A baby hedgehog is called piglet. A baby deer is called fawn. In general, baby birds are called hatchlings, unless the specific breed has a different name. A baby eagle is called eaglet. A baby fish is called fry. A baby rabbit is called bunny. A baby frog is called tadpole. A baby mouse is called Pinky. Just like a baby koala, a baby kangaroo is called Joey. A baby snake is called snakelet. A baby butterfly is called caterpillar. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.